let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't worry about me. I'm about to let my heart speak. Friends keep telling me to leave this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a
Welcome,
million.
welcome, 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 welcome. How you guys doing? Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. We about to get started. We about to get started. We about to get started. Are you guys ready to do some trading? Let's do this. All right, all right, all right, all right. So first, before we get started, I just want to read a quick disclaimer. Trading and investing in binary option involve risks and are not suitable for all investors. The information in this channel is provided solely for informational and general education. Any strategies or operational methods used in this channel are strictly for educational and illustrative purposes only. Okay? So, that being said, let's get started. I just had a live earlier that did not go well. So I'm trying again. Um, I did a few tweaking here and there. So I'm trying again. See if this can go smoothly. Let me just check to see if we are good to go. Give me a sec. That did not go well. So I'm trying again. Okay, seems like we are smooth and ready to go. All right, sounds good. So, we this is part 4. Okay, I haven't added it yet, but um, I'm gonna add it later on. But this is part 4. So the first live I did, I kind of just did a quick like a quick wrap up of a quick live about like what I'm going to be doing, and so this live is about binary options, okay? And we didn't do any operation on the first live. We was about to, but it didn't really work out. The second live we did 3 operations. It was all losses. The third live we did 1 operation, which was a win. So we are um, 1-3 overall. Okay, and today we're about to get it popping again. Um, why am I looking a little bit stylish? I was looking for my. I have these glasses. They're not sunglasses, but they're glasses for brightness. Okay, and I have a light right here on top of me. I'm in the basement of my house. I'm in the office. I have a light right on top of me, and I have a monitor right here. So I keep looking at the monitor, and the light keeps beaming right in my eyes. And I woke up with a little bit of headache because I didn't really sleep too good. So that's why I got these on. I tried to look for the other ones, couldn't find it. So that's why I got these on. But I ain't trying to look cute at the house. You know what I mean? I just have this on for so the light on above me doesn't bother me too much. But anyways, we're gonna get going. We're gonna get going. All right. So let's start. Let's start with our research and our analysis. What do you guys say? What do you guys say? What do you guys say? Huh? Okay, we're gonna start with our research and our analysis. Trading View still there. Okay. Now, um, during the first live, I did an analysis. I think during the second one I did an analysis as well. Um, I don't know how it went because I was just really having like uh, production issues. So I'm gonna run through the analysis today again. Okay, you guys just bear with me. Meanwhile, I'm gonna try to get some music going for us. All right. So let's go. Let's go. Let's get this. Let's get this started. Very good. Very good. So here we go. Awesome. So here we go. Let's try. Let's start with our. Let's start with our analysis. Let me open some windows. Make sure we get started. All right. Let's hope that the computer can take all of this, all these loads of windows opening, and let's hope that we can get it on, and moving with our analysis today. All right. Very good. So we're just gonna open. Some websites in which I do my research, and I will talk to you guys as I move along and explain everything that is going on. All right. So I think that I haven't specified what kind of trading binary option is. Even though if you're on this channel, or if you're watching this live, or if you ever watch this video, you are going to know very well what binary option is. So binary option is in the name. Okay, it's either going to be one or the other, call or put. And in binary option, we use the Forex chart. Okay, so we're going to use the pairs, the currency pairs, and then we get to analyze whether a price is going to be higher or lower than it was in a certain amount of time. So basically, we're going to say if you choose to trade if you choose to make a 5-minute trade, you're going to predict whether the price is higher or lower once those 5 minutes have passed. Okay, so that's what binary is. So whenever I put in a trade, I'm going to say if the price is going to be higher or lower depending on the time that I choose. So if I choose 1 minute, I'm going to predict and analyze if the price is going to be higher or lower after that 1 minute. Okay, so here we go. So basically, the first thing I do is I do my analysis. Now, I like to trade one pair at a time. I know some traders that have multiple windows open. I don't do that, not yet. The most that I have open would be 2 pairs. So I choose a pair. I do my analysis. I choose a pair. And after I choose a pair, I work on that pair and I do my tradings on that pair. Now, you guys know I started a demo account with 5,000. The first day we went really bad. We lost 5% of our account, so that dropped us down to 4,750. And then I had a win on our third live, so it brought us up to, let's see where we at right now. Oh, music, right. Yeah, give me a second. I'll get some music going. All right, so it brought us up to 4,792. All right. Very good. Can you guys see it? Can you guys not see it? I can't see it in the live. Yeah, you guys should be able to see this. Very good. Let me put this up a little bit. 4,792. Okay. Yep, you guys are able to see. Good. So the analysis consists of my analysis consists of the payout, okay? First and foremost, the payout, okay? Then the news, okay? And the news and oh my god, the payout, the news, and the strength of that pair, okay? Both of the pairs, the strength of both of the pairs, okay? And that's just me filtering out what I want to do, whether I want to, which pairs do I want to work the most. Not only that, I would like to look at the chart first. So sometimes the analysis are going to be perfect. Like you're going to find a pair to work with that they have no news for like the next 3 hours, and the payout is looking beautifully, and the chart is looking beautiful, everything looking nice just the way I want to. But sometimes it's not going to be like that, all right? Especially with the strength, sometimes I just can't find a pair that I want to work with. But depending on the chart, then I'll go by the chart. Like if the strength of the pairs are not the way I wanted to, and they just like whatever, then I'll choose what kind of chart I want to work with. But always looking for that that good payout. And the payout that I'm talking about is going to be higher than 80%. What do I mean? Mean that whatever amount of investment that you put in, the payout is going to be 80% of that. So if you put $1, it's your profit is 80% of $1, which will be 80 cents. Or so your total once you win that trade, the total amount that you get, if you put in $1, is going to be $1.80. Okay, that's the minimum, but you can find higher payouts as well. All right, so here we go. So the first thing, I want to look at the news. Okay, just because depending on the news, I can exclude the pair or the asset right away. All right. So now it's 10:30. Okay, we don't have anything until 10:30. Okay, let me see here. We have JPY at 11:35, which, depending on the color of this little folder here, is how much technically it is going to affect that pair. So we don't have. So we are good to trade. Okay, we just have that little news on JPY at 11:35, but I believe that we're going to be done trading by then. And then we have cash rate, RBA rate statement for odd Australian dollar at 12. No, what am I saying? No, this is sorry. This is 11:30 p.m. So no. So we are good to trade. There's nothing here. Okay. There's nothing here. We passed 10:30. Okay. So might just want to watch out for COD. But if we start trading after 15 minutes after this, we should be good. So there's nothing here really. Okay. Cool. So from 10:30 to 6 p.m. 6:30 p.m. there's nothing. I thought that this was 11:30 a.m. But no, sorry about that. So we are good here. Okay. So now there's no news. I'm not worried about nothing. Just want to keep an eye out for COD. Okay, it's orange, so it's not that bad. If it was red, we kind of would want to stay out. But if it's orange after 15 minutes, we should be good. So now I go to investing.com. All right, and I have it here on my economic calendar. Okay, bear with me. Music. Okay. Okay. And seems like we are good too. Yeah, we are good. We are good. So no news here on investing.com neither. And now I am done with this. So let me just close these windows. Get it out the way. Close this one too. Okay. So now I have done my news analysis. And now I come to my strength analysis. Whoop. So the pairs that has the most bars are the strongest ones. So I see GBP, odd, and we want to watch out for odd, right? Because we had some news on odd, which wasn't too bad, but still we want to just make sure we keep an eye on the chart. And we have NZD. Okay, now these pairs are super strong. Okay, so I just write super strong, literally super strong. And then I see that Euro, okay, is not doing so well, but that's the only pair that I have that is weak. So I want to kind of choose another pair, and the next one after Euro is JPY. Okay, so we put it down there, JPY. Okay, super weak. Okay. Now, essentially what I want to do is I want to look for a pair that is strong and a pair that is weak. Okay? So let's say if I'm trading GPB versus Euro, I want to do some buys. If I'm doing Euro versus GPB, I want to do some sales. Okay? And I think, and then I'm also going to go with USD as a weak pair, okay, just average weak, not super weak. And I'm gonna go with COD as strong, not super strong, but COD can go on my list as well. Okay, COD, just strong and not super strong. Very good. So again, my okay, so I'm good with this. Maybe after a half hour we'll come back here and check it out to see if it's still the same. So our total is 4,792. So how does my risk management work? Okay, some people stick to one risk management period. I'm still trying to find out which one I want to stick to always. However, it can change depending on how my day is going. Okay, so I always say that if your goal is 5% of your account, then your stop loss should be half of that, so 2.5%. Or 3 to 5 trades in total. So I say 4 average. Okay, so either 2.5% of your account balance is your stop loss, 5% is your TP, which is take profit, and 4 trades maximum a day or per session if you have more time to trade during the day. All right, so this is what we're going to do here. We are going to calculate, okay, the amount that we have, which is 4,792, okay, and we are going to choose 5% of 4,792, which is $239.60. That's my TP, okay? And my stop loss is going to be 119.80. Okay, so we're just gonna round it up to TP 240, okay, and stop loss 120. Okay, now if I take 120 and I divide into 3, it's 40, okay, If I divide it into 2, it's 60. Okay. So my interests would vary between those amounts depending on how confident I am on the trade that I'm taking. Okay. So it could be 40 or it could be 60. We'll see. All right. So 40 to 60 is our interests. Okay. Very good. And now we're going to filter out the payouts. Oh, music. That's right. I'm missing music. What's going on with music? See if I could get some music going here, guys. Beautiful. All right, here we go. So, anything higher than 80. So, OTC. I don't trade OTC, so we forget about these, okay? So, we go. Chef JPY. Euro JPY. GBP COD. Odd COD. COD Chef. Euro COD. Beautiful, and that's it. We don't want to worry about anything else. Okay? We don't want to worry about anything else. Beautiful. Whoa. All right. So now, let's see here what we want to work with. So, GBP, COD, ODD, and NZD are super strong, and Euro and JPY. Okay? So, we're going to Euro and... So Chef is not in our list, so let's get rid of that. Chef JPY is not in our list, so let's get rid of that. GBP versus COD, they both strong, so let's leave him there. ODD and COD is super strong, so we're gonna leave him there. COD and Chef, we're gonna get away from that for now. And Euro COD. Now Euro is weak. COD is strong, so we can potentially start looking for sales on this chart. Let's just see how it looks, okay? Yeah, so we can already see that it's on a downtrend, okay? And one of the mistakes I made on that second live that we lost 3 trades was I was trading against the trend, which is sometimes I do, but you know, essentially we don't want to be doing that. All right, so I'm gonna put an entrance of 50 because that's in between 40 and 60, right? For now. Beautiful. Make sure we are at 1 minute for now. That might change. And 1 minute candlesticks. Beautiful. Okay. An odd COD. See here, yeah. So let me see if there's any other pairs here that I want to leave. So it's like I said, sometimes it works out beautifully, sometimes it doesn't, you know. So let me see here some of the other pairs. Chef, JPY. JPY is weak, so I want to go back there and check how Chef is doing, because Chef, and we didn't find any news for any of the Chefs. So Chef we got COD, which is strong against Chef. Odd. Okay, GBP is super strong. I know that GBP is super strong, and Euro here. Euro is super weak. So let's see where Chef is at. I completely missed it. Just so we can have an idea. I usually leave this tab open, but since we're on a live, I decided to close it just so the live can be in a better quality. Okay. Okay. right, so Chef is it's not weak, okay? It's average right now, so it's not strong or super strong, so it's average. So since Eero is so weak, I can work with that, okay? I can work with that. So we can look for Eero versus Chef, and we can do some sales here as well, okay? Let's add this in. Okay. So Eero versus COD. Okay, Eero. So Eero versus COD. Alright, so we're only going to be looking for sales today, guys. Eliminate that. That. Beautiful. Okay, so we're going to be looking for sales. Okay, on both charts, we're looking for sales. Primarily Eero COD. Secondarily Eero Chef. Okay? And now is where, okay, now is where I come to my trading view. And this is where the magic happens, okay? So, essentially we are looking for Eero COD and Eero Chef. Now, this is where my computer starts to get crazy. But let's see if it's going to be good today. Let's go. Okay, Eero COD. Looking for sales, baby, 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 baby. All right. Very good. Okay. Very good. So, we're going to go to 4 hours. Beautiful. Is this a 4-hour chart? Yes, it is. Okay. It's on a overall downtrend. This is good. This is good. Good. Okay, so I'll put a vertical line right there on my third to last 4-hour candle. Okay. And then I start to break this down. So I got my primary resistance. I got my primary support. Beautiful. And then we start to break this down. All right, so now we go down to 1 hour chart. Okay, and I just highlight the end of each candle, the beginning and the end. If it's on a downtrend, most likely the beginning. If it's on an uptrend, most likely the end of each candle. Okay, so here we're gonna do the same thing. Okay, since here there's two next to each other, I'm just gonna do one. Okay, and I do it halfway to each. Well, closer to the last one. Boom, right there, right there. Beautiful. Okay, now I'm not. I would do it here too, but since we're only going to be trading for now, and every time I trade, I do this, I redo it. But essentially, you can just leave this here for future references. But I delete everything, so I'm only going to do it around the candle that we're working with. As you guys can see, it's breaking there, so we can potentially look for a retest over here. But let's keep going with this, okay? And as you're going, if the price is changing and the candle is changing, you just readjust. Okay, now we're going to 15 minutes one. Beautiful. Look at that 15 minutes one. Nice. And you guys see where I drew my lines. You see how the price respected beautifully over there. Price respected beautifully over here. Here the same thing. Here the same thing. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is looking good here. Okay. We might want to add another one right about over here. Okay. Price is respecting there as well. Boom, right there. Nice. Okay, so here, from here, we are gonna go to the 5-minute one. Okay, 5-minute. Beautiful. 5-minute. Oh, look at that price respecting. Beautiful over there. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. So you guys can see here that everywhere where I placed those lines on the previous time frames, they respecting. So all I really want to do is adjust this. So you guys see here where the line around this area. So I just want to come here, adjust it, bring it up. Okay, boom, adjust it. Here, that one looks good over there. And this one over here, you guys say, well, that's not respecting anywhere. But if you guys look back here, I'm gonna drag this back here. Okay, if I drag this back here, you guys gonna see that it was a support level right there. Okay, right over there, support area. Okay. And here, so we can operate here in this channel, okay? So we can see that there's a downtrend, right? And we're looking for sales. So we can wait for the price to come back up there, potentially, okay? So we can catch a sell. And we can come up here too, okay? Like that. Boom. Okay. So these are all areas that we can work on, okay, for Euro COD. Two touches For a trend line, 2 touches is enough. Okay, so we can potentially come up here. Okay, but yeah, but this would be the same thing. Okay, be the same thing around the same areas. Um, yeah, there'll be a second touch. Yeah, we don't have to do this one. Let's just work with more recent prices. Okay. Very good. Okay, so now let's go down to our 1 minute. Our 1 minute time frame. Oh, look at this. Very good. So we got some, you see there's the respect over there. So let's just adjust this. Boom, right there is good. Okay. Alright, so the price is coming up here. We can potentially catch a 1 minute sale right over here. Okay. 1 time, 2 times, very good. Let's wait for it. And this is Euro COD. So we want to wait for the price to come around. And we're going to get it right around the tax that you win. So if the price comes to, in this occasion, 37,170. Okay? 37,170. Or over here, let me see here. Yeah, so 37,160. Okay, right around here. All right. All right. All right, so hi, babe. I'm operating. Yeah, I'm operating. All right, so we're going to try to catch a sale right here. Let's see how it's looking on. Oh my god, I can't find my pocket option. Oh, here it is. Alright, Euro COD. Sketch a 1 minute sale. At 1. Oh, it already respected, huh? No. It's going. We're going to catch it at. We're gonna give it we're gonna go 5 minutes. Okay, guys? 5 minutes on this trade. I'm gonna give it some time so it can retrace. Here we go. We're gonna go in, and we are in. We are in. I caught it. 37,150. My payout is 78%, but that's okay. You know, that's okay because I had already analyzed it, so it's not that bad. Okay, so we are waiting for our price to drop over here and follow along this line coming all the way down. Okay, there's a lot of pressure over here, so we're hoping that it's going to respect. Plus we have this short-term resistance around this area as well. Okay, and we have our trend line. Okay, we have our trend line right over here as well. Have our trend line and have this we have this short-term resistance right there. So we're expecting the price to respect these lines, this resistance and this trend line. Okay, if that had been, let me see where we at. There we go. We got 3 minutes left. As of right now, it's a losing trade. I should have caught it around the same area of my prior resistance, but we still got some time. Okay, still got some time, and let's see what happens. Okay, 2 minutes left, guys. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. I caught it at 37,150. Okay. I don't think there's anybody with me right now, but I would like to know where you guys have caught it if you did. So Trading View, I caught it. Let me see if I can highlight it for you guys. So I caught it right here at 150. See how long we have left. Okay, 30 seconds left, guys. 30 seconds left. All right. So, so that was a win, but that's not what I had intended to do because I was supposed to do a sell and I did a buy. It's okay. Mistakes happen. You also need luck on your side. Anyways, Um, so it ended up not respecting. Okay. However, um, it by if I was to make a 1 minute here, I probably would have won. I didn't, so it doesn't count. And also, I should have waited. I should have waited for it to touch my resistance instead of just um, my trend line. Okay, so I waited. Let me see. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna use this arrow here. Okay. So I waited for the touch on my trend line, and I was counting for this resistance over here. Okay. It respected that first touch over there. That red hammer, the red candlestick, and it went down. So if I had caught it in the beginning of this one over here for a minute, I would have won. However, my resistance, my actual resistance, the line that I drew before, it was up here. Okay. So I should have waited for over here. And if I had done it, it would have been up there. Not for 5 minutes. And the reason why I gave 5 minutes is because I wanted to give time for the price to drop, and it didn't. So it completely just went through there. It broke my my trend line. It came for a retest, and then it went up. And now it's respecting that main resistance line over there. Okay? And it's coming back in. So I'm going to adjust this trend line. Okay? And also, the computer being so slow, it's not helping. And I didn't have a lot of confluences for this, so because I'm super excited for this channel. However, I'm gonna make it work, and we're gonna be in sin, and we're gonna make sure that we wait for confluences. Okay. So our next entrants are going to be patiently and detailed calculated for the entrance. So I'm not going to rush anything. Okay. And guys, and this is stuff that you start to learn with time. Okay. So don't think that you're going to start making money right away, but with practice. Okay, with practice. I should at least waited for a. Well, I got it on. I call it Tasha Juwen, but you guys have a different name in English. But I should have waited for confirmation on my Bollinger Bands, and not only on my Tasha Juwen. But it happens. It's okay. It's good. Perfect. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, so let's get a little bit closer. Yeah, double bar here. Yeah. Yeah, this trend looks like it's switching up its positioning, but if it gets into a lateral position, it's gonna be good. All right, guys, we're gonna do another sell here, but this time we're gonna do a 1 minute sell. Okay. Let me just try to get this straight before it gets away, and then I'll switch the camera. Okay, gonna catch this sell right here. We're gonna wait for the end of the candle. Boom, candle ended, and this time it was out of my Bollinger Bands. All right, so we caught this sell. Price still going. Oh man, rookie days, rookie. It's going. Oh, it's going. It's going, and I know what it's looking for too. Okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. 30 seconds left. And on my pocket option chart, I have no on my pocket option, I have chart. I have no lines whatsoever. Okay, guys. So 20 seconds left. I don't think that is coming back. However, yep. So that was a loss. So we're 1-1 for the day. Thankfully to luck. But let's wait for the price to reach this area over here. Okay. If it does, we're catching it. A better entrance would be over here. Alright, man. I cannot deal with this slowness. Alright, guys. We're going to catch the sell. I'm going to make 2 entrances here. Okay. And I'm going to do it 2 minutes. Oh my god, this is going. Here we go. Alright, made 2 entrances right there. It's hitting my Bollinger Bands and it's at a resistance level. Okay, both of these entrances was for 2 minutes. Yeah, baby, 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 baby. So essentially, I'd like to make 1 minute, but sometimes, depending on the chart, I see that if it's lagging a little bit, I like to give it a little bit more time. Okay, like to give it a little bit more time. But the best entrance, like I told you guys. And it's because the live been going on for a while now, right? So we're gonna be wrapping up soon. But the best entrance would be right here. Ooh, right over there. Right over there. Be right over there. Oh my god, this looks horrible. Let me just move this. Okay, so I guess production-wise today was good, but operating-wise was just horrible. Okay, and this is going to be the last operation for today. So whether it's a win or a loss, it's our last operation for the day. Perfect. Look, that's where the entrance should have been. However, you got to be patient. And then I'm operating live, so you know what I'm talking about. That chart has completely changed its course. All right. So the last two operation was a loss. Okay, so let me calculate here. So we started off with 4,792 minus 4,681. So our Our stop loss today was 120. However, we reached 4 operations with a loss of 111. Okay, 111. And oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. So, guys, look at this. Look at the price respecting it over here. But, so the price was doing lower highs, higher lows, and lower lows and lower highs, okay? And then it came here, made a lower low, made a lower high, and then it came here, and it didn't break that instructor right there. It kept at the same level. So you could potentially call this a double bottom, and when this happens, the price is going to change its course, okay? And then came here again, did a lower low, but not lower than this one, not too lower than this one, and then it changed its course and went up here. Okay, so we got a short-term uptrend over here. However, on this particular downtrend line, the price respected one time right over here. Okay, so that operation would have been profitable. Okay, let me highlight this for you guys. This operation right here would have been profitable. That 1 minute sell. Okay, as soon as the price touched that trend line on the end of the candle, the next candle was a bearish candle. Okay, so in this operation here would have been profitable. And what I said about my Bollinger Bands, you see here the price came out of the Bollinger Bands, went back in, but here it touched again. So once the price does this to the Bollinger Bands, sooner or later, and more sooner than later, the price is going to return. So it took one candle, and the next one right here, the price returned back. Okay, this candle right over here would have been our winning trade right at that trend line. Okay, right at that trend line. However, I rushed it. I made 2 entrances in one trade. I'm having a hard time to change the habit, but you know, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but I'm not giving up. We're gonna keep trying this. I'm gonna try to get back to my winning ways tomorrow, okay? And I'm gonna review the live and see how it's going, and depending on that, I will switch my software, and hopefully with a faster computer we can do better. But anyways, guys, thank you so much. Let me just go back here and review, okay, my entrances today. And today was really bad. Oh my god, today was a 1 and 3, and that's because today was supposed to be 4-0, but it was 1 and 3 because of a mistake. Wow. Okay, so these were my entrances. Okay, 50, 50, 50, and 50. So the first one was a win. The last 3 was a loss. And as you guys can see, this was from last week. Okay, so I have not changed anything. And this one right here was when I was trying to get the price, when I was trying to round this number up to 5,000. And this was my first entrance, second entrance, and third entrance of the second live, which was 0 and 3. This was the third live, which was 1 and 0, and this is our 4th live today, part 4. Okay. Anyways, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna rest, study more, and hopefully tomorrow we can do some good entrances. You know, you got to get better and 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 better every day. But I'm going to try to keep a consistent weight of operating so we can, and remember guys, always use risk management. So I could go crazy right now, okay, and try to get that money back, but it's not going to do me any good, okay? It's not going to do me any good. Like, for example, I saw this over here. I saw the price going up here, and right now it's retesting. It's probably going to hit this area over here. The next candle probably going to be a green candle, okay? It's going to retest, and it's probably going to go up, and I can say, yeah, let me go back in there and make my money back. But it's not worth it, okay? So you do your operations. If you win, you win. If you lose, you're out, okay? So look at that. Look at that. Price came, retested. The next candle, look where it's at already. If you had caught it over here, right at that trend line, you'd be profitable, okay? Right at that 37,294, and look at that candle going up, 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 up. So, you know, reading the market is one thing, but sometimes it's gonna go in your favor, sometimes it's not. But tomorrow we get back to it, and we're gonna do the damn thing. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for following along. Comment down below how your trading session was today. It doesn't matter if you're live. It doesn't matter if you're watching this later on. Comment down how your trading session was today. And I will see you guys tomorrow. You guys have a good rest of your Monday. Peace.